Hi, my name is Melissa Plum, and I am the principal of Whitney Young Early Childhood Center. Welcome to Whitney Young. Whitney Young is a hidden gem in the downtown Fort Wayne. We take students from all over Fort Wayne, regardless if you live within the Fort Wayne Community School boundaries. We offer full-day pre-K for children who are 4 years old by August 1st, and full-day kindergarten by children who are 5 years old by August 1st. Whitney Young is special and is a magnet school in that we believe in the Reggio Emilia philosophy, which is we look at the student's interest and teach towards those interests. We look at the whole picture of what our community needs and teach this to the young children. That could be coding. It could be looking at the arts, and even if you think of like a Disney movie, there's so many jobs behind that Disney movie, and we're giving those early experiences to young children. Our students spend a long time each week in an art studio where they get to experience all modes of fine arts. We do music, we do movement together with music. Our art teachers team with the classroom teacher. We just really give a well-rounded education for a young student.
I'm Erin Patton McFerrin, art teacher at Whitney Young Early Childhood Center. I also go by Miss Erin, and I'm lucky to be the kindergarten art studio teacher. Whitney Young is an incredible learning experience for our kids and our families. It is unique from any other school I've been part of. You see it immediately when you walk in. It looks different by the way our kids sit and interact, the way we move, and the way we learn. And because the arts is a tremendous focus at Whitney Young, it weaves through everything that we do. You see it in the kids, you see in how we learn and how we talk. When the 6 C's were a new emphasis for the district last year, we were so excited because that's how we've always been doing things. We are the 6 C's.
Whitney Young children love school. They're excited every day they walk in these doors because our things change every day based on what they're interested in. So when you're interested in learning, you're engaged in the day-to-day activity. We don't do worksheets. We don't do workbooks. We really do hands-on exploration because that's the best way to teach early childhood children, we believe. The children's excitement starts the minute they get out of their car door or they get out of the bus. At Whitney Young, all students participate in STEAM clubs. We look at what their interest is and we go with that. So those could be garden club where they learn about gardening, but they're really learning about taking care of the earth. We also have built an outdoor learning center behind our building where students are taking care of our gardens. They're also getting to explore the outdoors, and we do these all year round because of the season change. We then have engineering club where students are working with early coding and robotics and building. We do a lot of Lego robotics in those clubs. We do we call it our cooking club, but really it's learning the fruits and vegetables. These are just based on kids' interest. We have a music club, we have a drawing club. We just change our clubs based on what kids are interested in. Research shows that children who go to early childhood programs are more successful in schools later in life. I also find that children that come to Whitney Young are better creative thinkers because of our curriculum, problem solvers, and independent individuals. That once they get into their later grades, they're very successful because they had those foundations in their pre-K and kindergarten years.
Art, I think, is a shorthand way of just talking about being a creative thinker and problem solver. So no matter what you do in life, you will need those creative problem solving skills, the persistence and resilience that the arts teach that are just natural to what you do as an artist. Being able to make a mistake and take joy in it because it's leading you to the next part, the next big adventure, your better idea. That's really what the arts are, and that's what we teach at Whitney Young and how we explore in everything that we do. So it's really about critical thinking and problem solving. It just looks beautiful in the package of art.